Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, go down somewhere right there and press that subscribe button, and don't forget that bell right next to it to be more updated on me. And I'm getting the hang of this. Hold on, wait a minute. Today we're gonna be doing a Marley twist hairstyling video. I did a poll on my Instagram where I asked my followers if I should do a video on doing Marley twist hairstyles or should I do a Marley twist takedown. Obviously, the more popular one was the hairstyling. So guess what we're here for? I'm gonna be looking on Pinterest for some more hairstyles if I can, because they all look the same. Pinterest, you're really slacking on me. You really been slacking. My first hairstyle, I'm gonna take my hair down first. Oh wait, pause. I like to do my edges first because, baby, who did you wrong in your life? I would do a video on doing my edges, but like, I do that like most of my videos, and I do it so differently, so my edges finna be snatched. Bye.
Oh hell
A big fail. The first hairstyle is gonna be a side part, kinda, and I like it because I got a big forehead, so this makes my forehead look a little smaller, just like this much. But you know, anything is better than nothing. So, second hairstyle is gonna be a ponytail. We gonna get this. It's any little headband. I think these work better because take all your accessories off. Tie it twice. You have a regular ponytail. Now next, what I like to do, because this headband is a little dirty, I grab two from the middle. I might twist it a little bit. I might. Tighten it a little bit. And you could do this with just the hair, but I wouldn't prefer it. Oh no, the sun is going away. This is the ponytail. Next hairstyle. What's she doing? Can leaving it down be called a hairstyle? I don't like doing this because my forehead is big. It's not even 4 because it's still a little bit more space. So it's 5 head. Next hairstyle would be half up, half down. That's what I'm gonna do, yep. Half up, half down. Next hairstyle is gonna be half up, half down, but the top is a bun.
With this you don't put it, hold your hair up like this, so it's like perfectly in the middle. Do it one more time, so that it's tight. Yikes. To the point where you have a ponytail like this.
Oh, this could be a hairstyle. That's cute. It looks like a little donut. Donut. Next hairstyle is a whole bun involving all of the hair. We're gonna do the exact same thing as the ponytail, but instead, y'all gonna see the same thing. Make sure everything is forward, hanging to the ground. Make sure the back is straight. We gonna go to the middle of the head.
Have it up some.
Like that.
Yeah, that's fine. Tiny, just
Same as a ponytail.
is what we're gonna do is the same thing as a little ponytail. Spread the hair to where you feel like where you feel a hole right there in the middle. We're gonna twist. But you have to hold the hair in place so that it forms like in the right way. Tiny, just tighten it as you go. And tuck it in.
Yep, that's the one. Next hairstyle is gonna be a side ponytail. Next hairstyle is this. Whatever this is called. It's called the tie takedown. This is cute though. Next hairstyle is gonna be like a half side ponytail.
Do it like this. Twist it. And get some hair because it's not look right with this hair back.
Yep, tighten it just a little bit so that it kind of lays down. But yeah, little side, half up, half down, side ponytail. Next hairstyle is gonna be a all the way up side ponytail. It's like having the regular ponytail, but like you literally just putting it to the side. Like it's that easy. It's that easy. I'm gonna show y'all how I be at school with this hairstyle. Or y'all can add me on Snapchat and see how I be at school with this hairstyle. Excuse me. Next hairstyle is the ponytail, but that's why. You could have this hairstyle just like this. I do prefer you get some jewels too right here, and you can get jewels at your local beauty supply, any beauty supply. And then you can also do a bun with this.
Either way, anything's cute. Shake it up a little bit so that it looks nice and circular.
So cute. Now I'm just freestyling. I'm freestyling hairstyles now. So
Boom, 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 boom.
You can do all these hairstyles with box braids too. Hair flip. You can also take it and wrap it around, and then look, it's down. And if I were you, I would like use a bobby pin to secure it, because it will come loose and then the braid and then everything would just fall apart. But if it does fall apart, it looks good either way it goes. You can also do that hairstyle with a bun, but I would use like less hair so that you can have more bun. Or if you baby, you can do what you want to do. It don't even matter. Next hairstyle is gonna be with a beautiful head wrap. You can use any head wrap of your choice.
You do it this way. If you're doing it, then you know. Do it tight to the front. Tuck it in right there. And just keep tucking it in.
You can use a head wrap like this. You can buy this at any beauty supply, but I personally use this for my edges.
And you do it like this, right?
Girl, I'm done. Or you can use a headband like this. A head scarf. This is a head scarf. This is literally material from like my grandma's dress that my mama cut.
I would do it like this, right? Yep. Go like this. Stretch out a little bit, you know. Make sure this part is tucked in right there. Twist it, just to secure it. And twist these because it's looking a little out of shape. And tuck it in.
Anchornator who? Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching so much. If you like this video, click that thumbs up right down there somewhere. And don't forget to press that subscribe button and that bell right next to it so you can be more updated when I post on YouTube. Down below in my description will be all of my social medias, my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. If you're in the Houston area, down below will be the Instagram of the girl that did my hair. Her name is Jewel. All you have to do is just DM for an appointment and I'm pretty sure she'll hook you up. And just to update, I will try to post weekly, so comment down below any suggestions that you would like to see me do. Also comment down below which hairstyle that you like. Excuse me. Like this video if you like donuts, and comment down below which donut place is better, even though we all know it's Shipley's. But later loves, thank you very much, and you guys have a great day, night. I don't know when I'm gonna post this. See you in my next video. Bye. Anyways, that's it for that. Oh, where's the sun? The sun's back. The sun's going down. I don't see how people can do this. This is a lot of hairstyles in one day. Mama. Okay, that works too. So what we gonna do? Today we're gonna be This is so depressing. Hi guys, down there. I think it's one of these sides. What yeah. If you watch, yeah. And it's like, it's so stressful.